Earache can be inconvenient. You're also looking for different techniques to alleviate earache. One option is to use garlic as a natural therapy for earaches. Putting garlic oil or chunks of garlic in your ear may sound unusual, but it's a terrific natural cure. Garlic has wonderful antibacterial and antiviral qualities, so it's great for healing. Garlic's components aid in the destruction of bacteria and viruses in the inner ear, while its antiseptic characteristics serve to prevent infection spread. Viruses are the most common cause of ear infections, and medicines alone are ineffective. A drop of garlic oil in your ear or a piece of garlic in your ear will help relieve the pounding sensation that occurs when your ear hurts. Garlic is an anti-inflammatory agent that can reduce swelling and pain. If you don't want to stick pieces of garlic directly to your ears, you can use garlic oil. It is quite easy to do so, which only requires 1 clove of minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a small saucepan and add chopped garlic. Keep the heat on low for about 15 to 20 minutes, so the oil can absorb all the beneficial properties of the garlic. Remove and strain the oil into a glass jar and let it cool. Apply 2 drops of the oil on the affected ear and repeat once a day as needed. Garlic oil can also be made by mincing garlic and putting it in 2 tablespoons of olive oil for 2 to 3 hours, then strain the olive oil and use it as needed. Thank you for watching this video.